Hello guys, good evening. Um, Tonight we'll discuss about the switch statement. So, sa statement dito ng switch, the nested if else statement allows you to execute a block code among many alternatives. So, based on our last topic is about nested if else statement, and now we will proceed to the switch. So, if you are checking on the value of a single variable in nested if else statement, it's better to use switch statement pag nag-check lang tayo ng single variable. The switch statement is often faster than nested if-else, but not always. Depende kung ano yung task or program na pinapara natin. Also, the syntax of switch statement is cleaner and easy to understand. Mas madali siyang maintindihan kaysa uh, nested if-else statement natin. So now I will show you the sample syntax of the switch statement. Ayan, meron tayo ditong ito yon switch statement, then open and close parenthesis, then n. So saan ang galing yung n, which is the variable that are being declared at the top, no? Then close parenthesis and open and close curly bracket. So all your codes, all your case should be put inside the curly brackets of the switch. So now, as you can see, meron tayong case dito, case 1, case 2, and default. So actually, you can add another cases if you want. Pwede natin to siyang dagdagan ng kahit ilang case ang gusto mo. Okay? For example, lagay natin dito ng case number 3. So, pwede yun siya. You can add another if you are checking a lot of alternative ways, no, para sa program natin. So, paano nga ba mag-function ang case? Okay, or ang switch. So, sa case 1, okay, since we are using integer dito sa taas, so, number ang value ng ano natin, n. So, we are also using number case, like this one. Now, so, sa comment dito, ito yung code, or sa part na to, ito yung code na i-execute niya if the value ng n natin is equal to 1. So ngayon, if the value of n is equal to case 1, then meron tayong gustong ipapalabas na output dito sa part na to. Okay? So, meron din tayong break. Ayan. Ang break, purpose ng break, if the first case is true, or the first case or case number 1 is equivalent to the value of n, then um, ito yung execute niya. Then the break will prevent the compiler will prevent the compiler to read another cases. Yun yung purpose ng break. Para hindi siya magbasa ng ibang case, lagyan natin ng break. Okay? So now, meron tayong another case, 2. Okay? Case number 2, execute block code number 2 if n is equals to 2. So, sa first case, pag ito yung case na to hindi siya nagiging true, false ang ano niya, value ng n, ibig sabihin, hindi niya nakita yung value ng n sa first case, then the compiler will proceed another case. So, pagdating dito, wala pa rin, nagiging false pa rin yung value ng n sa case number 2, then, even though may break, the compiler will continue another case, reading another case. Pag sa case number 3, nakita niya dito kung ano yung value ng n, which is 3, then yung statement na ilagay natin dito, siya yung lalabas o siya yung mag-display sa output natin. So, since may break, the default condition will decline or hindi na ito babasahin ng compiler natin. So, the default, guys, ito din yung the same process, the same function to sa else statement natin sa if-else. So, if there is no cases na naging true, then automatically the default statement will be displayed. Ito yung i-execute ng compiler kung walang nagiging true dito sa lahat ng case sa value ng n natin. Okay? So, yun yung purpose ng default. Pag wala kang default, then, pag walang true dito, walang true dito sa case number 2, case number 1, walang true, then, wala kang output din na lalabas. Okay, so try natin. Iparan via program. So, we will use the div C++ or I will use the C++ programming for my program using switch. So, sample natin guys, int x is equals to 5. Yan. Tapos, we will have our switch, open and close parentheses, then open and close curly bracket. So, we have case, yan, another case, then we will have the default. Okay, so ganun yung gagawin natin. Then, now, we will call the variable x na na-declare sa taas, ilagay natin dito. Kasi single variable lang mo yung i-check natin, guys. So, ngayon, lagay tayo dito ng number. Kumbaga, sa first case, number 1, ito yung gusto nating ipapalabas. Since we're using C++, then we will use cout. Alright, then this is good or bad. Yan. Ito yung magiging display if the value of x is equals to case 1. So now, we will add break. Again, the purpose of break is to prevent the compiler to read another cases if in case the case number 1 is true. Okay, yun yung purpose ng break. Then, case number 2. Ito yung gusto kong ipapalabas. Cout. This is good. Ayan, then another break. Then another case. Case 3. Then, copy paste natin. Ito para mas madali, no? Yan. And this is your lagyan natin dito kumbaga very good. Then next, meron natin i-save. Tatapusin natin case 4. Ayan. Then this is excellent. Ayan. That is excellent. Then we will change na lang sa value ng x. For example, gawin natin siyang 3. Yun. Then, lagyan natin dito siya ng default. Yung default, automatically, if there is no true sa lahat ng case na testing mo, the default will be displayed. So, ano yung gusto mong ipapalabas dito? Gusto mong i-test that is invalid number. Yun. So, we'll try to save our files. Switch statement. Save first bago natin siya i-run. Then, save and you can click this one. Ayan o, sa execute guys. You can press F9 to compile, F10 to run, and gusto mong isahin na after sa compiling, iraran niya kaagad yung program mo, then F11, that is the shortcut. I will click this one, yan, compiling process. If there is no error, then ipapa-display niya yung result na gusto mong ipapalabas. As you can see, the result here is very good. That means the case 3 is equivalent the value of your x. Since the value of your x is 3, then kita niya dito sa case 3, then ito yung lumalabas. Yun. That means kahit dito kahit may break dito pero hindi nagiging true ang case 1, so the compiler will continue reading another case. Sa case number 2, hindi niya nakita yung value ng x mo sa case 2. So continue pa rin dito. Okay? So ganun yung trabaho niya. Hahanapin niya kung saan yung case ang nagiging true. Pag walang true sa lahat ng case, for example, walang true sa lahat ng case. Meron tayong case 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then the default. Now, the value of x is equals to 5. So, wala sa lahat ng cases ang value ng x natin dito. So, basically, when you run this code, your output will be invalid number. So, try natin. Ayun, invalid number. Kasi nga, the value of your x is equals to 5 and there is no 5 case na nakalagay dito. That's why default ang lumalabas. Okay? So, another, try natin tatanggalin yung break. Ano yung mawawala pag walang break? Okay? Kung gaano nga ba kaimportante si break sa ano natin. Yan. Natin to. So, when you run this program, guys, as you can see, wala na tayong break. So, try natin i-run. As you can see, invalid pa rin. Okay? Invalid pa rin yung number. Or, kasi wala man sa lahat ng case. So, invalid pa rin yung lumalabas. For example, papalitan natin siya into 1. So, that means, true yung first case natin dito. Kasi the value of x is in the case 1. So, ngayon, expected output is bad. Di ba? So, when you run that one, lahat yan siya lalabas. Bakit lahat siya lumalabas? Lumalabas yung bad, yung good, yung very good, excellent, invalid number. Kasi nga, wala siyang break. Kahit naging true na sa first case, the compiler will continue reading another cases kasi wala siyang na-encounter na break na mag-prevent sa compiler to read another cases. That's the purpose of your break. O, di ba? So, ganon lang siya guys, kadali gamit ng switch statement. So, you are checking only one variable. Then, don't forget to return your operating system or program to the operating system. Then, don't forget to put return 0. Ayun. So, again, kailangan lagyan natin siya ng break and another break and every cases para ma-identify natin what is the correct output sa program. Ayan. That's how the break works. Alright. So that's it guys. So if you have some comments, suggestions, you can leave some comment and don't forget to share and like our videos for more videos to come. Thank you. Bye bye.